Hold on. Oh wait, never mind. It's in my pocket. Stupid. I'm dying over here. It says due tomorrow, but then it won't even load. Oh, hello, Dennis. The first semester, I don't care. Yeah, it is. Hello, Dennis. I cannot do Minecraft because I have homework. I have a bunch of homework. This one's due tomorrow and I have 10 questions. Write a similarity statement relating to those three triangles in the diagram. That one, and the whole one. So, they're all, like, so P, M, N is P and Q, which is also equal to M and Q. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Not related, but yeah. They gave you 2 packets. That's it. I have this, 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 and where is it? Where is it? Hold on. And where is it? Is it? No, it's not it. Where is it? I can't find it. I have another thing. Solve for x and y. So x is over 2. So x2, 6x. So 6 times 2, 12, x times x equals x squared. So 12 equals x squared. So what times itself equals 12? I do not know. So let's come here and go this. 3.5. 3.5. 3.46. What's a radical? What's a radical? I have no clue what a radical is. Hold on. What's a radical? What's a radical? How do you spell it? Radical in geometry. It's commonly a square root. So a square root of 5. Okay. Okay, so its radical symbol is square root. The radicand is the number expression inside the symbol. The index is a small number that tells which root. 2 for square root, 3 for cube root. For square root, the index is usually, yeah, it means just square root. So I'm guessing just square root of 12. Okay. I don't know. Wait, I didn't even solve for that. Is this one the square root of 12? I don't know. So 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, it changed. It's like this is gonna be half. It's gonna be... No. Oh, wait, no, this is gonna be half. This is gonna be 1.5. Hee. No, it's not. How does this work? How... I hate this. I hate geometry so much. I hate radicals. I don't know how radicals work. How do radical work in Geo? Oh my god. Stop! Stop! I'm trying to read this. A radical is an expression with a root sign. So square root of 5, 16, square root of 16 equals 4. Cubed root of 8 equals 2. In geometry, most of the time you see square roots. Where do radicals show up in geometry? Alright. Oh god, this is a bunch of stuff. Huh. Radicals show up in 45 minus 45, 45, 90, and 30, 60, 90 triangles. But how 90 and 90. So it's likely gonna be this, a radical in this. So we're looking for this. We're looking for the length of this. I don't know at all. Alright, it's going out. We're going out on a limb. It's just gonna be 2, 3. That's wrong. It's 6. 2 times 3. Why? This one's gonna be 2, 3. It's not. If for any two positive numbers, A and B, the geometric mean of A and B is the positive x such that A over x equals x over b. The altitude of the hypotenuse of a right triangle separates the hypotenuse so that the length of each leg of the triangle is geometric mean with the length of the hypotenuse and the length of the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to the leg. I don't understand what that means. This whole leg is 8. The hypotenuse, wait, 8. 8. 3 plus 2 equals 8 now? It's 5. We're looking for x and y. So it's going to be x2. Wait, it's a 3, 4, 5. So y is just simply going to equal 3. I don't know how to solve this. 15. 2 times 3. 3 times 5. Oh. So I'm guessing that's just going to be, I don't know, going out on a limb here. No. Help me, Lord. Help me. I don't know how to do this. Kind of like terms. Wow. Kind of like terms. Yeah, I think Grammarly started. I don't know how to do this though. This confuses me. You can only combine like radicals, same number. Kind of like terms. This is only making me even more confused. So you know what? I'm gonna have not Grammarly, but Gemini teach me this. How to solve for this. I'm gonna have it teach me. I'm not gonna give it the answer. Gemini, teach me simply how to solve this. Don't give me the answer. To solve this problem, use the geometric mean theorems, which apply specifically to right triangles when an altitude line x is drawn to the hypotenuse. When that altitude is drawn, it creates three similar right triangles. Here's where you can find x and y step by step. Finding x, the altitude rule. The altitude x divides the long side hypotenuse into two segments in your image. These are 9 and 3. Okay? The rule states that the altitude squared is equal to the product of these two segments. X squared equals segment 1 times segment 2. Okay? Multiply 9 and 3 together, take the square root of that number to find x. Oh, so it's just going to be a square root of 27. Remember to simplify the radical. How do I simplify the radical? How do I simplify the radical? Alright. That divides evenly into your number 9, 3. Split the radical into two parts, the perfect square and the leftover. Take the square root of the perfect square and put it in front. Simplify. Now it's 50. This 25 going to 50. 25 times 2. 25 is 5, so the answer is 5, 2. Oh. So it's just 9 times 3. Okay, square root. Okay, so it's 9. It's 3. And that's outside the square out of 3. Yeah, I'm learning. And then for y, the leg rule. To find the leg of the big triangle like y, there's a similar rule. The leg squared is equal to the product of the segment of the hypotenuse adjacent to it and the entire hypotenuse. So adjacent segment and total hypotenuse. So that's 9. 9 plus 3, which is 12. Multiply those two numbers together. 9 times 12 equals 108. Take the square root to find y. So what's the square root of 12? I don't know. Not 12, but 108. I don't know. It's that. So, we gotta find one that evenly distributes into it. So let's do 108 divided by, I think 36 might be 1, right? Yeah, 3. So 36, 3. So 36, 3. So, hold on, I'm still doing the math. So what's the square root of 36? Square root of 36 is 6. I should have known that. So it's 6, 3. Yeah! I'm learning! Hee hee. Now I gotta do the same thing here. Sorry, I had to have Pepsi. Just to keep me, like, energetic. Alright. So 13 plus x. Alright, so x plus 6. So it's 13 plus x is equal to x plus 6. So 13 plus x plus, so 13 plus 2x equals x plus 6. So it's 13 minus x. 13 not minus x. 13 minus 6 equals 7. X minus 2 equals negative. X minus 2x equals negative x. So that's 7 equals negative x. So that means it has to equal a negative 7 because we reverse. How is that not negative 7? Let me go to Grammarly. I'm gonna ask it to teach me the correct way to do this. What's the correct way to do this? Don't give me the answer. Four, 9, 16, 25, 36. Alright. Oh my god, I've created a new chat. How to solve this correctly. How to solve this correctly. I don't even think I have to make it good. Ugh. 13 plus x. Oh. Wait. Oh, yeah. Hello there, Leo. Set the equation like 2 equals adjacent segment times entire hypotenuse. Oh yeah, that's why I was setting up wrong. I have to do x times 13x. And that would be x times 13x. Well, 13 plus x. So it's so it's 2x. Oh, x squared, sorry. X. Okay. X squared plus 13x. And that's x plus 6 squared. Okay, that makes sense. So then that's x squared. That's 12x plus 36. Huh? Okay, so I get where it's 6 squared. Thanks. 6 squared equals 36. But how do we get this 12x right here? How did we get this extra 12x? Right here. That's what I'm confused about. There was an... Okay. Did it seriously give me the... Anyways. Did we just divide this by 3? And then we added x to it? I don't know. How did we get the extra 12x? I don't know at all how that happened. X plus 6 squared. Like a plus b squared, you aren't just squaring the individual parts, you have to multiply the entire expression by itself. So x times x. Oh, this makes sense now. Okay, so x times x, 6, and then 6 times x, and then we combine these two together. Okay. Now I see what happened. Now I'm not confused. That's why, because it's just 6 times x, and then x times 6, and you add the two together, and yeah. That's 6x plus 6x, and that equals 12x. So that makes sense. So now let's go back up here. So it's 12x. Oh yeah, we subtract the x2 from both, the x squared from both sides. That equals 12x plus 36 equals 13x. 36 equals x. Hopefully this is actually... Hopefully, like, I can actually learn. Okay, that was correct. Now let me try this next one. Solve for x. So 84 plus, hold on, let's go all the way here real quick. I want to like figure out how to do this again. Alright, find the altitude rule. So x plus 21 is equal to x times x 84 squared, right? No, it's x squared. This squared. This entire equation squared equals x times 84x. So x times 84x is equal to x squared. Alright, this is better for me to like think of. Okay, so x squared is equal to this, so after that we have to I have no clue how to solve this one though. I have no clue how to solve for x. Because I mean I knew this is correct. So it's gonna be x, no, it's gonna be x plus 21, not 22, 21 squared. I know that. I know this. But I don't know what to do from here. Yeah, I mean, well, Gemini is a bit helpful for trying to learn here. Because I have no clue how to solve for x here. No clue at all. So, if I use Gemini here to help me learn, help me learn how to do this, plus no answer, plus no answer. So Gemini here can teach me how to do this, but yeah. So altitude squared equals segment 1 times segment 2. Oh, so this time it's just segment 1 times segment 2, so it's x 84. So it's 84x equals x plus 21 squared. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so let's give each of these. So this is a squared, this is b squared, so x squared, 21x, x squared, hold on, let me write all this down, x squared, 21x, and then we have, one more thing, we have one more, b squared, so that's 21 times 21, let's do that math inside of my head real quick, so 21 times 21, that's 420, that is, another, that's 441, and then 4 41. That's 84x minus 21. Would the expansion be, let me see. Let's copy this. And paste it in here. See if it's correct. If it is. Oh, am I missing one? Oh, I am missing one now, aren't I? Oh, I'm missing the 21x. There's two. Yeah, because it's 42x actually. So it's, yeah, that. So that is equal to 84x. So it's x squared minus 42x plus 441 equals 0, right? Alright, multiply to give you the constant, 441. Add together to give you the middle coefficient, negative 42. And since the middle number is negative and the last number is positive, both of your factors must be negative. Also, notice that 441 looks like a perfect square. We just saw 21 times 21 equals 441 in the previous step. So we have to, by factoring that expression, it should look like this. X negative question mark times x negative question mark equals 0. Once you find that number, what does x equal? Since both factors will be the same, you only have one solution for x. Alright. So it should be negative 21. Negative 21. Is that correct? I should be right. Yeah. At negative 21. So x, oh, 21. It's 21, not negative 21. I guess that, yeah, really, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, I'm learning. Oh my god, I have to go in 9 minutes. I love Gemini. Gemini is so helpful. Let me drink some more Pepsi. With now to the hypotenuse. Using the two given measures, find the other 4. So U1, this one, is equal to 18. Then S2, this floor here, equals 15. So this one, so these have A is the same thing. So 15 plus A equals U2. How am I supposed to solve this? Huh? I got a 68 on my quiz. How do you expect me to solve this? I don't know. So, Gemini, it's time to learn. This is definitely not the same thing as before. Nope. Don't give me answer. Teach me. The core theorems in the diagram that HP is the total hypotenuse. S plus S1 plus S2. Okay, H. Okay, H. Ah, okay. I didn't even see that. So how we're going to calculate for S1? A be the altitude. U1, U2 be the legs. S1, S2 be the segments. Leg rule. So U2, 1 equals S1 times H. Then U22 equals S2H. Huh? U21. Is it this one that it's talking about? Or is it that? I'm thinking this bottom number is what we're looking at. Oh, U squared 2 and U squared 1. U1 squared and U2 squared. Okay. So A squared equals S1 times S2. And dismiss this alarm. Oh, nice. Raptors versus Pacers and Raptors won. Anyways, A squared equals S1 times S2. So it's going to be like 15 times S1. How are you going to find S1? You're given U1 equals 18 and S2 equals 15. Find S1 and H. Since we know U1, we use the first leg rule. We also know that H equals S1 plus S2, so we substitute S1 plus 15 for H. Okay. So U1 squared equals S1 times S1 plus S2. 18 squared equals S1 times S1 plus 15 squared. Then 324 equals S1 squared plus 15S1. Okay. This gives you the quadratic equation S1 squared a plus 15S1 minus 324 equals 0. Solve for S1 using the quadratic formula and look for factors of 324 that subtract to 15. Subtract. Everything subtracts to 15. Once you have S1, simply add it to S2 to get H. So we want 324 divided by 15. That's 21. Okay. 324 divided by 30. 324 divided by 45. 324 divided by 60. 324, that's 4. 324 divided by 75. 324 divided by 90. 324 divided by 105. I was looking for a whole number here, but I think I'm doing that wrong. You're solving a quadratic equation like S1 squared plus 15S1 minus 32 for what? 324 equals 0. You're looking for two numbers that fulfill two conditions at the same time. They multiply to get the last number, minus 324. They add up or subtract to get to the middle number, plus 15. Oh, okay. Because 324 is negative in your equation means one of the factors will be positive and one will be negative. That's why we look for a difference of 15. How to find them systematically. If you don't see numbers immediately, you can list factors of 324 and check their differences. 162, no. 1227. 1227, yep. This right here. So negative 12. Yeah, negative 27. Hold on. Now that you found 12 and 27. Okay, now I know what it means. Because I was confused. Now that you found 12 and 27, you can write the equation in its factor form. Since you need a plus 15, the large number, 27 must be the positive one. S1 plus 27, S1 minus 12 equals 0. I hate the fact that this is due tomorrow because I've already worked on it for 35 minutes now and I'm only 4 questions done. So yeah. Larger number, 27 must be the positive 1. Okay. So, to solve for S1, you set each part to 0. S1 plus 27 equals 0 to S1 equals negative 27. Then S1 minus 12 equals 0 is S1 equals 12. Which one do you choose? Since S1 represents a physical length of a triangle, it cannot be negative. Therefore, S1 equals 12. Hello, Mr. Self-Destruct. I am being confused. I'm currently having Gemini help me because I am completely confused on my homework. I hate geometry, and it's so bright. Look at this. I know you skipped all your classes in high school. I do not understand this at all. Not at all. Like, I am absolutely and utterly confused. So I'm having AI help me here. Now that you have S1 equals 12, you can find the remaining values. Find H. Add S1 and S2. 12 plus 15. Oh, that's 27. So H equals 27. 27. That's okay. Okay. Alright. Now, A is equal to S1 times S2 squared. So S1 times S2 is 12 times 15. Square that, and that's 13.41. Right? I did that correct. 12 times 15. Yeah. That's 13.41. Okay. Well, first, let's also do this. And then, what? Wait, what was it again? 13.416. This does not seem right. This doesn't seem right. Hold on. I got this for A. A equals 180. Oh, okay. Yeah, so 9, 16, 25, so 6, 36. So 6, 5. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's 6 squared root 25. Squared root, yeah, that's correct. And then now we're looking for U2. Haha, U2. We're also looking for U. U2 equals S2 times H. So H is 27, S2 is 15. So 15 times 27, and then we square root that. That's okay. So square root of 405, we can find that one over here. Where is it? I don't know my stuff. Wait, is it just 9? So it's 4, 9, 16. I don't even know what a perfect square is. I don't even know what my perfect squares are. That's 7, that's 9, then that's another 9, then is it going to be like 45? I don't know. Like, okay. Wait, so did I get 4 or 5? Yeah, 4 or 5. So it's going to be 4 or 5 divided by 36. 4 or 5 divided by 20. No, that's not even going to be correct. 405 divided by 16. No, 405 divided by 9. That's 45. So that's 945. So it's going to be 345. Right? 3, and then it's going to be 45. And now I'm going to take a picture of this and ask it if this is wrong. Is this right? Because it's going to be my last question because I got to go to bed, sadly. Oh, 45 is 1. Okay. 9 times 5, so that's 3 times 9 times 45. So it's 9, 5. Oh. Okay. So, okay, I see. Yeah. Alright. That was, thank you, Gemini. You're awesome. You're awesome. But, yeah. I only got 5 questions done. And now I gotta go. So, that was not fun at all. I hate you, geometry. I would flip you off right now. Not you, teacher. You're nice, Mr. Knight, but geometry? Anyways, I'll see you all next time, you gooners. Till next time, bye.